In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use NordVPN on an Apple TV. So if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see onto their official dashboard that we have a lot of platforms that are connected with NordVPN, and NordVPN is easily available onto that. You can see we have TV OS. You're going to be clicking onto this option, and this is exactly how it looks, and this is what we need to get started. So you can see, you can click onto this option which says get NordVPN, and this is, my friend, for your Apple TV, and gonna be providing you thousands of servers covering 164 locations worldwide. We also can change our IP address and virtual locations in seconds, so something that can help you a lot. And yeah, so make sure to give it a try and get started with this. And that's how easy it is to get started with NordVPN on an Apple TV. You can also head over to the link in the description below to get a huge 70% off on NordVPN itself. So a lot of value there to not be missed. So make sure to try that out. Link in the description below, and I will be giving you that particular discount. So yeah, that's how easy it is. So see you in the next video.